Give me water, cold refreshing water. Lean protein that's gonna help my muscles grow. And some butter, some lovely little pack butter. She was a spit at a girl. Oh. That's the sound of muscle growth. Oh, it's gonna make my biceps so proud. Eat. Enjoy. Welcome back, you living legends. All right, lads and lasses. Today, we're not just cooking food. We're creating fuel for the gods. The ultimate gym daily booster and a bit of an all-time favourite of mine. Steak, rice and eggs. Staple in my diet, lads and lasses. Welcome to another cooking video of my Godly Gains protein hit. Let's do this! Nice simple one today, lads, as I'm staying away for work in Bristol currently. So we've got a 200 gram fillet steak. I'm probably gonna have 4 eggs with this, bit of butter, some rice and some rosemary. I don't actually have ghee butter, which I'm a bit upset about. I'll just have to use some extra virgin olive oil instead. And I already pre-salted this bad boy 24 hours ago. That salt should have saturated through it beautifully, man. The flavours will go all out way through, you know. Ooh, this should be about a 70 gram protein hit. Yummy, get in my tummy. Let's do this, peeps. So I have left that steak out for about an hour and a half now, so it should be perfectly up to room temperature. And I'm now going to do a little bit of rice. Do what you like with the rice. I'm going to have a fair bit because I've worked hard today, so I need a carb load. Bosh! Where's my water? Give me water, cold refreshing water. Here we go, let's get me a bottle of water. Right, let's get that in there. Do you know what? Rice is one of the hardest things I find to cook. Too much water, it goes wrong. Too little, and it's too firm. It's one of those things, if you ain't got a microwave to just do like packet rice or something, that's really easy to mess up. So it just comes with practice, I'd say. Working out how much water you need above the rice in the pan. Not too much, I'd say. And what I found, I ain't no pro at it, but if you cook it on a lower heat and let it simmer for longer rather than boiling it up at a higher heat, it does cook better, lads. Ooh, you know what we do if you're a regular viewer. Get your old Celtic salt in there. Extra minerals over normal salt. I always try and give my body as much nutrients as possible when I can when it comes to cooking meals. Get that in there. This is the mad part. This is probably the hardest bit to cook. It takes the longest. Bit of rice. Good old bit of rice. The unsung hero of clean bulking. It's fluffy, it's loyal, and it never lets you down. And here, in its natural habitat, the rice grains absorb water, preparing itself to join forces with steak and egg for maximum anabolic impact. All right, let's get the old frying pan out, people. To cook this lovely bit of lean protein that's going to help my muscles grow. One pan, one handle. Right, what I will do while the rice is cooking is get this pan on the go. All right, you're just not going to light, are you? There we go. Get this pan red hot as possible, peeps. And then we can sizzle it as much or as little as you like. I'm a medium rare kind of guy when it comes to steak, you know. So I won't be going too mad. Probably, what, I don't know, a minute each side at high heat in the oil, and then I'll turn it down a bit and then cook it for a further 2 or 3 minutes each side. And some butter, some lovely little pack butter. What I didn't tell you, lads, is when I massaged the salt into this, I was massaging it like you had sore muscles on a leg day or something, you know. Oh, get that deep in there, man. The salt in this one, because it's been 24 hours, Oh, I can't wait to taste that flavour all the way through it. It's gonna be amazing. As you can see, people, that oil is smoking away. I would say she's red hot and ready for that steak to get sizzling. Oh, you can't beat the sound of a sizzling steak, can you? Who's ready for a bit of ASMR? Oh yeah, baby. Let's do it. Let's flatten it out a little bit. Woo! She was a spitter, the girl. Oh. All right, let's get flipping, lads. Woo! Oh, can you hear that, lads and lasses? That's the sound of muscle growth. Oh, it's gonna make my biceps so proud. Right, let's turn this down and heat now. So add a good minute and a half each side at a high heat. So we'll get on a low heat now. And I think I need to add some butter now, just to soak through as well for extra flavour. Bit of butter, as much as little as you like. And then also, you can't have steak without rosemary, I don't think. So nice bit of that in there. Ooh yeah. That smells divine, people. Right, I think the steak's about there now. Do you know how difficult it is to film and cook under pressure? It's not easy, lads and lasses. Get some eggs in there. Don't want to waste any of that beautiful butter or rosemary. I'll cook the whole lot in there. I think 4 might be a bit much. I don't think I've got the room. I'll do 3. As long as I'm eating 60 grams of protein per meal, I'm a happy man. Which this will definitely be, because I think my steak's about 45. And then an egg's about 6 per one, so 6, 12, 18. Yeah, perfect. Bit of black pepper on there, lovely jubbly. Rice is done, people. We're nearly there, we're nearly there. I might just put the lid on that just to simmer it away now. Just to try and help cook these eggs a bit quicker. Perfect. Different kind of camera angle this one, isn't it, peeps? Trying to give you a bit of a POV. Nice bit of rice. Perfect. I think I'll take the steak out now so it can rest. Rest for a minute or two. It's the only way to get gains, people. Make sure you have sufficient rest between training. It's the same principle for food. Let it rest, give me those gains. Literally just waiting for the eggs now and then we're good to go. Nearly there. Nice, easy, simple meal. Right, eggs are now ready, I think, just the way I like them. Don't like hard yolks. I like it runny and sunny side up. So it's bright like me. Oh yeah. All those meat juices also in the eggs for extra flavour. With that rosemary too. Can't complain, guys. That may not look the most appetising meal out there, but I assure you it is full of greatness. Amino acids from the steak, creatine naturally in it, high in protein, and eggs, well, you know about eggs. Superfoods as they are, full of vitamins and minerals. And then a nice bit of carbohydrates to give me the fuel to smash the gym and recharge my muscles. It is time for that taste test, guys. Oh. It's funny how excited you could get and how happy you can feel just from a bit of food. I think we've got to dive straight into the steak, right? I don't have a proper steak knife, unfortunately. I've got these little plastic ones, but it'll do. Smells good. Mmm. 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 Mate. Oh my God. Oh, so good. I've got another stab straight at the steak. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Sorry, I'm just enjoying those so much, peeps. Good bit of steak, that. Really is. I'll tell you what, people. If this doesn't make me lift 10% stronger tomorrow, I'll just eat it all again just to make sure. I will catch up with you in a minute. I am just going to devour this. Talk no more and just shovel, 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 eat, 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 enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Lads and lasses, that was divine. I really enjoyed that. And there you have it. That's the Godly Gains protein hit. Steak, rice and eggs. Bosh. Simple, powerful and delicious. Perfect for fueling your next adventure or even your next PR. Hey! If you've enjoyed this, a cheeky like or a sub if you haven't already would be greatly appreciated. And I'd love to know in the comments, what's your go-to protein meal? Stay fueled, stay strong. And as always, guys, don't forget to get your wag on. Work, adventure, and game. Mike out.